Pekingese pups are already going to the litter pan and keeping their bed clean. This is a little boy right here. This is little Bo. He's a cutie. They're 6 weeks old, almost 7. Want that toy? You want that toy? This is little Bo. He's 600. We're in the Chattanooga, Tennessee area. If you want to, I've got 2 little boys and 1 little girl left. This is a 4-pup litter. Her first litter, and they're so cute. I got to take all kinds of movies of them. They're starting to play. I'm going to take Mama away from them this week. So they're chewing on dry food. Come with a health guarantee. Litter box trained. And there's some in the litter pan right now. They're playing, but there's my Bo. Uh-oh, here, puppy fight. Puppy fight. You get that toy? Get it.